Before the game start, 2 minutes warm up. Start of the second game, Pratelo versus Tres Marias.
Pinababot ko.
Pratelo ball. Sempio to Lopez. Lopez, three-pointer. It's good! Lopez! Nagpapainit na po. Number 7. Lopez from Pratelo. Carlos. 2. Umali. Umali sasagot. No good. De La Paz. Rebound. Sempio. 2. Brun, to De La Paz, back to Brun. Brun, to De La Paz again. De La Paz, no good, but got fouled. Foul number 20. First personal foul for number 20. First team foul. First free throw no good for De La Paz. Second free throw is good for De La Paz. Carlos to Asteliero. De La Paz got the ball still. De La Paz running to Lopez. Lopez, 2 points. Left hand layup. 6-0 ang ating score. 6-point lead for Pratelo. Costeliero jumper is good. 2 points for Costeliero. Team ball to Brun. Brun floater. No good. Costeliero got a rebound. Pass to Carlos. Carlos running. Carlos stop. 3-pointer. Carlos. No good. Sepio got the ball. De La Paz running to Sepio. Sepio. Layup. No good but got fouled. Foul number 10. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws for Sepio. First free throw no good for Sepio. Second free throw no good for Sepio. 0 out of 2 free throw. 4-point lead for Pratelo. Carlos to Arroyo. Arroyo, 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by De La Paz. De La Paz to Brun. Brun. Layup is good. 2 points. Assist by De La Paz. Mali to Carlos. Carlos, 3-pointer. No good. Lopez got the ball. Lopez. Layup is good. 2 points. Carlos, 2-pointer no good. Brun got the rebound. De La Paz to Sempio. Back to De La Paz. Same ball. 16 seconds on the shot clock. De La Paz to Sempio. Sempio, 3-pointer. No good. Umali got the rebound. Umali running. Umali attacking. Umali got fouled. Foul number 2. First personal foul number 2. First team foul. 2 free throws for Umali. ko na alam eh. First free throw, no good for Umali. Second free throw is good for Umali. Brun to De La Paz. To Brun again. To Timbol. 14 seconds to shoot. De La Paz dribbling. De La Paz attacking. De La Paz. No good. Costeliero got the ball. Costeliero to Carlos. Carlos running. Carlos attacking. Carlos. 2 points. Carlos. 5-point lead for Fratello. Sempio to De La Paz, back to Sempio. Sempio fakes, Sempio to Timbol. Timbol idol ko, 3-pointer no good. De La Paz got the rebound to Lopez. Lopez no good. Arroyo will get the ball. Pass to Umali. Umali running. Umali attacking. Umali spins. Umali to Lucendo. 14 seconds to shoot. Lucendo to Acelero to Carlos. Corner three is good. Carlos, 3-pointer. 2-point lead for Fratello. Sempio surveying the D. Timbol, 14 seconds to shoot. Back to Sempio. Sempio, 3-pointer. No good. Arroyo got the rebound. Arroyo, Umali to Carlos. Carlos, 3-pointer again. It's good. 3. Carlos. Both teams ready, second unit. Timbol, long 3. No good. Costeliero attacking. Costeliero on the paint. Costeliero no good. Fratello ball. 1-point lead for Tres Marias. Sempio dribbling down the ball to Lopez. Lopez, long 3-pointer. No good. Brun got the rebound. Brun, 2 points with the foul. Change 5. Bonus free throw for Brun. Foul number 20. First personal foul. Correction, second personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus free throw for Brun. Bonus free throw is good for Brun.
Tawa ka ng tawa.
Warning tayo ha, for delaying the game tayo ha. Doon tayo sa Brown ha. Warning for delaying the game. 21.
Warning Fratello for delaying the game. Number 27. Culpa bringing down the ball. Culpa to Teng, back to Culpa. Culpa to Almasan. Almasan, 3-pointer. No good. Arroyo got the rebound. Arroyo. Foul. Puante to Mendoza, back to Puante, to number 20, back to Puante, Puante to Abrigo, Abrigo on the paint, Abrigo, no good. Abrigo get the ball again, to Puante, Puante, long 3 points, is good. 3, number 6, Puante. Culpa. Culpa attacking, Culpa running, Culpa below there is good with a foul. Foul number 5, first personal foul number 5, second team foul. Bonus free throw for Culpa. Our official score is 16-13. ball speed is good for Culpa. 2-point lead for Pratelo. Abrigo to Puante. Puante to number 20. Number 20 to Abrigo. 14 seconds to shoot. Puante to Mendoza. Mendoza to number 20. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 20. Attacking number 20. Made it no good. Abrigo. Culpa running. Culpa is good. 2 points. Culpa. Tie game. All 16. Puante to number 20. Barra. Barra to Puante. 14 seconds to shoot. Puante running to Ortola. Ortola. Same ball. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Barra to Ortola. Ortola, 3-pointer. No good. Mendoza, no good. Arroyo got the rebound. Culpa running. Culpa attacking. Culpa lose the ball. Puante got the ball. Puante running from Puante. Got fouled. Foul number 0. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Tres Marias. Urtula to Puante. Puante. 14 seconds to shoot. To Barra. Barra will try the 3-point. It's no good. Urtula got the rebound. Urtula. 2 points for Urtula. 2-point lead for Pratelo. Seconds to shoot. Raimundo. 2 points. Puante to Barra. 14 seconds to shoot. Puante. Low 3-pointer. No good. Almazan to Culpa. Culpa running. Culpa attacking. Culpa layup is good. 2 points. Tres Marias got the lead with the 2 points. 2-point lead for Tres Marias. Official score is 20-18. Puante. 14 seconds to shoot. Puante dribbling. Puante to Mendoza. Traveling violation. Almazan back to Culpa. Culpa dribbling down the ball. Culpa to Teng. To Arroyo. Arroyo jumper. No good. Basket count for Arroyo. Copy the net. Time out for Pratelo. 4-point lead for Tres Marias. What is happening? Time remaining 1 minute and 27 seconds. Back on the ball game. Puante to Barra. 14 seconds to shoot. Barra, 3-pointer. No foul called. Utorak get the ball to Mendoza. Mendoza jumper is good. Mendoza 2 points. Culpa, loader, no good. Barra got the ball. Barra to Mendoza. Mendoza got the ball. Mendoza bombs. Mendoza. Traveling violation. 2-point lead for Tres Marias. 40 seconds of the time. Culpa dribbling down the ball. 35 seconds. Tulpa. 30 seconds. Almasan will try the 3-point. No good. Mendoza to Buhande. 25 seconds. Buhande attacks. Buhande. 2 points. Buhande. 15 seconds. Culpa. Dribbling. 10 seconds. Culpa. Surveying the D. Culpa to Tracy. Tracy will try the 3-point arc. Tracy. End of the first quarter. Back to the ball game. Three-point lead for Tres Marias. Beltran, Erwin, debut game. Raimundo, Costeliero, Harold, Costeliero, to Erwin Beltran. Erwin Beltran will try the 3-point arc, no good. Timbol got the rebound. Timbol to Sembio. Sembio to Lopez. Lopez corner, 3-pointer is good. Lopez, 3. Tie game, all 25, our official score. Almazan, Costeliero. Costeliero back to Almazan. Almazan to Raimundo. Raimundo. No good. De La Paz got the rebound. De La Paz to Ortola. Ortola to Lopez. Lopez, stop. Lopez, 3-pointer. No good. Dalawa kayo. Costeliero got the ball. Costeliero running. Costeliero attacking. Costeliero. 2 points. Ang laki-laki. Turnover. Torres Marias ball. Harold Costeliero, 2 points. Too small. Just you. De La Paz running. De La Paz lay. No good. Harold Costeliero got the rebound. Pass to his son, Jermaine Costeliero. Jermaine Costeliero dribbling. Costeliero to Raimundo, jumper is good. 2 points. Calvin Raimundo. 7-point lead for Tres Marias. Sempio to De La Paz. De La Paz to Timbol. 14 seconds to shoot. Timbol to Sempio. Sempio attacking. Sempio, 2 points. Costeliero dribbling down the ball. Costeliero to Raimundo. Raimundo to Almazan. 10 seconds to shoot. Raimundo to Almazan again. 5 seconds to shoot. Costeliero. Jumper is good. 2 points. Costeliero. Turnover. Fratello. Raimundo to Almazan. Back to Raimundo. 14 seconds to shoot. Costeliero. Erwin Beltran. 3-pointer again. No good. Ortola got the ball. Foul number 9. First personal foul number 9. First team foul. Sempio. Dribbling down the ball. Sempio to De La Paz. De La Paz, Ortola, jumper. No good, rare. Jermaine with the rebound. Costeliero dribbling down the ball. Costeliero to Almazan. Almazan back to Costeliero. Costeliero on the paint. Costeliero no good. Lopez got the rebound. Pass to De La Paz. De La Paz attacking. De La Paz lay no good. Almazan being defended by Sempio. Almazan dribbling. Almazan to Harold Costeliero. 10 seconds to shoot. Costeliero bump. Costeliero no good. Jermaine Costeliero got the rebound. 2 points. Jermaine Costeliero. Sempio to Lopez. Lopez 3 points is good. Lopez, great. 6-point lead for Tres Marias. Almazan, Costeliero. Turnover. Both teams ready, second unit. Team ball wide open, 3-pointer, no good. Jermaine Costeliero got the rebound. Raimundo dribbling down the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Steal. Lopez to De La Paz. De La Paz got fouled. Change 5. 2 free throws for De La Paz.
Bin.
Foul number 4, first personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws for De La Paz. First free throw is good for De La Paz. Second free throw is good for De La Paz. Both teams, players, proper tuck-in po ha. Maraming salamat. Culpa, bringing down the ball. Culpa to Almazan. Almazan, jumper. No good. Arroyo got the rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. Mendoza to Puante. Puante. 2 points for Puante. 2-point lead for Tres Marias. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos, 3-pointer is good. Great. Carlos. 5-point lead for Tres Marias. Puante to Brun. Brun back to Puante. To Barra. Barra to Mendoza. Back to Puante. Puante dribbling, Puante jumper, no good. Tres Marias ball. Culpa bringing down the ball. Culpa to Almazan. Almazan to Umali. Umali jumper is good. Umali 2 points. Favorite move. 7-point lead for Tres Marias. Brun, jumper, no good. Arroyo got the ball. Pass to Culpa. Culpa, dribbling down the ball. Pass to Carlos. Carlos to Umali. Umali, back to Culpa. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos wide open. 3-pointer, no good. Abrigo got the ball. Abrigo to Puante. Puante running, being defended by Culpa. Puante to Brun. Brun, bump. Brun, back to Puante. 14 seconds to shoot. Back to Brun. Brun floater. No good. What is happening? Almazan got the ball. Pass to Carlos. Carlos running. Carlos. 2 points. Carlos. Brun. To Mendoza. Mendoza jumper is good. 2 points for Mendoza. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos fakes. Carlos, 3-pointer again. Is good. Carlos, 3 points. 10-point lead for Tres Marias. Guante to Mendoza. Mendoza, no good. Almazan to Culpa. Culpa, pataplas to Carlos. Carlos, 2 points. Timeout. Tres Marias, 12-point lead for Tres Marias. Back to the ball game. Point lead for Tres Marias. Our official score is 48-36. Time remaining 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Duante dribbling down the ball. Duante to Barra. Barra to Abrigo. Abrigo on the break. Abrigo got blocked by Arroyo. Culpa got the ball. Culpa running. Culpa. Ang bilis to Umali. Umali fakes. Umali. Fade away. No good. Duante to Brun. Brun. 3-pointer. It's good. 3. Brun. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos, jumper! No good. Almazan got the rebound. Almazan, no good, got fouled. Foul number 6, first personal foul. Second team foul. First free throw, no good for Almazan. Second free throw, no good for Almazan. 9-point lead for Tres Marias. Duante to Barra. Barra. Barra floater is good.
Yakol pa, 3 points.
Carlos bringing down the ball. Carlos to Culpa. Culpa. 3 points is good. Culpa. Puhante to Mendoza. Back to Puhante. Puhante to Barra. Barra being defended by Arroyo. Barra. Arroyo. Foul number 21. First personal foul number 21. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Time remaining 1 minute. Para to Puhante. Puhante, 3-pointer is good. Puhante got an answer for Culpa's 3-pointer. Carlos to Almazan. Almazan back to Carlos. Carlos to Umali. Umali, long 3-pointer. No good. Almazan got the rebound. Culpa, 3-pointer is good. Culpa answers back. Brun attacking. Brun lay is good. 2 points. Great move. 25 seconds remaining. Our official score is 57-46. 11-point lead. Barra. 10 seconds. Rebounded by Arroyo. 5 seconds. Carlos. Woo! No good. End of the first half. 11-point lead for Tres Marias. Great hands. Start of the second half. Light brown ball, Pratelo ball. 11-point lead for Tres Marias. Our official score is 57-46. Start of the second half.
Coach, yung bola. Ito yung ball. Bola.
Lopez to Siempo. Sempio. Dribbling. Sempio, three-pointer. No good. Carlos Eliero got the rebound to Carlos. Carlos to Culpa, back to Carlos. Carlos to Umali. Umali, three-pointer. No good. Culpa got the rebound. Culpa to Oseliero, no good. Oseliero, no good. Umali, no good. Tim Paul got the rebound. Tim Paul to Lopez. Lopez to De La Paz. Great pass. De La Paz. No good. Carlos. Foul. Number 12. Pushing foul. First personal foul for number 12. Lopez to Sempio. Sempio, three-pointer again. Oh, good. Umali got the ball. Umali running. Umali to Carlos. Carlos! Oh, good. Timbol got the rebound. Timbol to Lopez. 3v2 situation. Lopez to De La Paz. De La Paz. Basic basketball, no good. Lopez, no good. Culpa got the rebound. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos. Wide open three-pointer, no good. De La Paz to Lopez. Lopez stops. Lopez, three-pointer. No good pa din. Carlos to Umali. Jumper Umali is good. 2 points for Umali. 13-point lead for Tres Marias. Sembio. Attack. Sembio to Lopez. 10 seconds to shoot. Sembio. Jumper no good. Barha. 2 points. Culpa. Costeliero back to Culpa. 14 seconds to shoot. Culpa. 3-pointer. No good. Costeliero. Put back no good but got fouled. Foul number 20. Foul number 20. First personal foul. First team foul. First free throw no good for Hosteliero. Second free throw is good for Hosteliero, Chumaine. Lopez bringing down the ball. Lopez to Timbol. Timbol to Brun. Tip by Carlos. Guara attacks. Umali got the ball. Umali running. Brun got the ball. Brun wide open 3-pointer. No good. Harold Hosteliero got the rebound. Harold to Culpa. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos fakes. Carlos step back. Carlos to back to Culpa. Culpa running to Hosteliero. No good. Great pass but no good. Lopez to Brun. Brun to Barra. Barra got fouled. Foul number 15. First personal foul number 15. Second team foul. 12-point lead for Tres Marias. De la pass to Timbol. Timbol, 3-pointer is good. Timbol from way downtown. Number 1, Timbol. 9-point lead for Tres Marias. Culpa to Carlos. 14 seconds to shoot. Carlos fakes to Umali. Umali wide open. No good. De La Paz got the rebound. De La Paz running. Being defended by Carlos. Hosteliero got the ball. Good deep by Carlos. Carlos 3-pointer. No good. Harold Hosteliero got the ball. Hosteliero no good. Timbol. Same ball. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution. Urtula in. Puhante in. Ha? Seven seconds on the shot clock. Turnover. Puhante. To Barha, 3-pointer is good. 3 points. Six-point lead for Tres Marias. Carlos being defended by Brun. Carlos to Culpa. Culpa, no good. Brun got the ball. Brun still by Culpa. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos dribbling. Carlos to Hosteliero. Hosteliero jumper is good. Basic, 2 points. Lopez, 3-pointer is good. Lopez, 3. Carlos to Culpa. Back to Carlos. Carlos to Umali. Umali attacks. Umali jumper. Umali no good. Bata to Lopez. Lopez running. Lopez attacking. Lopez! Great move, 2 points. Ano? Timeout. Tres Marias. 3-point lead for Tres Marias. Back to the ball game. Culpa dribbling down the ball. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos, the baller is good. Carlos. Great hands by Carlos. Puante to Lopez. Lopez answers back. No good. Run. Brun got fouled. Foul number 21. Second personal foul number 21. Third team foul. First free throw is good. Ay, second free throw is good for Brun. 4-point lead for Tres Marias. Culpa. 14 seconds to shoot. Bara got the rebound. Pass to Puante. Puante. Layup. No good. Australiano got the rebound. Culpa running. Culpa attacking. Culpa got fouled. Foul number 20. Number 20, second personal foul. Second team foul. First free throw is good for Culpa. Second free throw is good for Culpa. Puante dribbling down the ball. Puante to Lopez. Lopez to Urtula. Urtula turnover. Culpa. Still with Brun. Brun attacking. Brun late 2 points. 3-point lead for Tres Marias. Our official score is 63-67. Carlos! 3-pointer! Hot hands by Carlos. Puante to Lopez. Back to Puante. Puante to Barra. Barra attacks. Turnover. Masteliero to Culpa. Culpa. Easy 2 points. Timeout. Pratelo.
Sister pa ko.
Back to the ball game. 9-point lead for Tres Marias. Sempio to De La Paz. De La Paz attacks. To Sempio. Sempio. Face. Sempio to back to De La Paz. De La Paz. Jumper. No good. Australiano got the rebound. Umali. Dribbling down the ball. Umali to Carlos. Carlos wide open. 3-pointer. No good. Lopez got the rebound. Lopez attacks. Lopez to Sepio. Back to Lopez. Lopez fakes. Lopez dribbling. 14 seconds to shoot. Lopez to Brun. Brun. Back to Lopez. Lopez. 3-pointer. Short. Substitution. Almazan in. Almazan out. Carlos to Umali. Umali, long 3-pointer. No good. Timbol got the rebound. Timbol to Lopez. Lopez to De La Paz. De La Paz to Brun. Brun attacks. Pass to Lopez. Lopez, 3-pointer is good. Hooray by Lopez. Six-point lead for Tres Marias. 14 seconds to shoot. Carlos to Almazan. To Umali. 10 seconds to shoot. Umali spins. Umali. 2 points is good. Great move by Umali. Brun. 3v1 situation. Brun. No good. Umali. To Carlos. 14 seconds to shoot. Carlos to Almazan. Almazan attacks to Umali. Umali floater. No good. Team ball with a tip to Sepio. To Lopez. To Brun. Brun. Lay. 2 points. Brun. Carlos. Dribbling. 14 seconds to shoot. Carlos. 3-pointer. No good. De La Paz got the rebound. De La Paz to Lopez. Lopez to De La Paz. De La Paz. Lay got blocked by Arroyo. Great deep by Arroyo. Carlos got the ball. Foul number 7. First personal foul for Lopez. 22.3 seconds remaining. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Carlos, 3-pointer, no good. End of the third quarter. Six-point lead for Tres Marias. Our official score is 74-68. Still in favor of Tres Marias. Start of the final quarter. By the way, our next game, Pin Asia Warriors versus Big CS Boys. Tres Marias ball. Almazan to Ulpa. Ulpa to Umali, back to Ulpa. Ulpa to Almazan. Almazan, 3-pointer. No good. Sepio got the rebound. Sepio to De La Paz. De La Paz to Brun. Brun attacks to Lopez. Lopez attacks. Lopez lay 2 points. 4-point lead for Tres Marias. Ulpa. To Umali. Umali, 3-pointer. No good. De La Paz got the rebound. De La Paz to Brun. Brun attacks. Brun lay is good. 2 points for Brun. 2-point lead for Tres Marias. 14 seconds to shoot. Culpa. 10 seconds to shoot. 3-pointer! No good. Barra got the rebound. Turn over. Tres Marias ball.
Gawin pa.
Almazal, Lumani to Raimundo. Raimundo on the paint. Raimundo, no foul call. Barra with the rebound. Fourteen seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Kulpa, tumali, corner 3. Umilaw, sabi ni Rep. Two-point lead for Tres Marias. Lopez to Sempio to Brun. Brun, 3-pointer. No good. Lopez got the rebound. Lopez, great move. 2 points. With a foul. Bonus free throw for Lopez. Number 16, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Tres Marias. Bonus free throw, no good for Lopez.
Third pa lang talaga. Third pa lang, ayan o. Nakalagay third D. Wala kasi.
Good pa to Carlos. Carlos, 2 points. Sempio to Brun. Back to Sempio. To Urtula. To Lopez. 14 seconds to shoot. Lopez, 3-pointer. Lopez, no good. Barra. Second chance opportunity is good. Tie game, all 76. Carlos. Jumper is good. 2 points. Lopez to Brun. Brun to Urtula. Urtula. 2 points. Rar. Carlos. Surveying the D. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Culpa to Carlos. Wide open. It's good. Carlos. Hot hands to lead. 3-point lead for Tres Marias. Para to Lopez. Lopez answers back with his 3-pointer. Lopez. Hey. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Culpa to Carlos. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos again. No good. Costeliero. 2 points. 2-point lead for Tres Marias. Our official score is 83-81. Lopez, long three, it's good! Lopez! Fratello got the lead again by 1 point. Culpa, he lets it back, no good. Castillero put back with a foul. Foul number 2. Second personal foul for number 2. Second team foul. Bonus free throw for Hosteliero. Bonus free throw no good for Hosteliero. Barra got the ball. Barra running. Barra attacking. Barra got fouled. Seconds on the shot clock. 1 point lead for Tres Marias. Sergio being defended by Carlos. 14 seconds to shoot. Sergio. Same ball. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Brun to Sergio. 10 seconds to shoot. Para to De La Paz, attacks, De La Paz, no good. Foul. Foul number 20. Third personal foul number 20. Third team foul. Culpa. Dribbling. To Umali, back to Culpa. Culpa to Carlos, 14 seconds to shoot. Carlos, 10 seconds to shoot. Hosteliero to Umali. Traveling violation ang katol ni Rap. Brun to Sergio, back to Brun, long rebounded, no good. Barra with a putback is good. 2 points. 1 point lead for Fratello. Both teams are changing lead. Carlos. 3-pointer is good. Carlos. The lead. 2-point lead for Tres Marias. Sergio being defended by Culpa. Sergio. Foul number 0. Third personal foul number 0. 13 seconds to shoot. Sergio to Lopez. Long people that are good. Carlos got the ball. Foul number 9. Foul number 9. Warning for penalty, Fratello. Our official time is 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Our official score 88-86. 2-point lead for Tres Marias. Carlos rebounded again. It's good. Carlos. Walang iya yung kamay. Lopez. To De La Paz. 14 seconds to shoot. De La Paz. To Brun. 2 points. 3-point lead for Tres Marias. Carlos being defended by Brun. Carlos attacks. Carlos no good. Para with the rebound. Foul number 12, second personal foul number 12. Both teams warning for penalty. Both teams, dalawa pareho ang inyong timeout. 3-point lead for Tres Marias. Our official score is 91-88. Sepio bringing down the ball. Seconds to shoot. Sergio to Barra to Lopez, 3-pointer. No good. Carlos got the ball. Costeliero back to Carlos. Carlos attacking. Carlos to Umali. Great pass by Carlos. Umali 2 points. 5-point lead by Tres Marias Lopez. Three-pointer is good. Timeout. Tres Marias. Top of the key, three-pointer by Lopez. Isa na lang ang timeout niyo, Tres Marias. 2-point lead for Tres Marias. Back to the ball game. Both teams warning for penalty pa lang po. Kulpa surveying the D. Kulpa to Umali. Umali being defended by Lopez. Umali jumper. No good. Outside, same ball. 5 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Last 2 minutes. Costeliero. Sebio to Dalabas. Dalabas. Lay. No good. Boom. No good. Umali get the ball. Kupa attacks. No good. Foul number 2. Third personal foul. Penalty. First free throw is good for Kulpa. Second free throw is good for Kulpa. 4-point lead for Tres Marias. Sergio, Barra, break, Barra. Barra get fouled. Costeliero, third personal foul, number 12. Penalty both teams. 2 free throws for Barra. First free throw no good for Barra. Second free throw no good for Barra. 4-point lead for Tres Marias. Our time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Carlos, no three-pointer, no good. Telepas got the rebound. 1 minute. Foul. Foul number 50. Second personal foul number 50. Penalty for teams.
Sino yung 95? So 95 ito 91.
First free throw is good for De La Paz. Second free throw is good for De La Paz. 2-point lead for Tres Marias. Time remaining 50 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Esteliano fakes. Simple. 5 seconds at the shot clock.
Basket tayo mo to, basket.
5 seconds. 5 seconds at the shot clock. Seconds at the shot clock. Castellano no good. Sabio got the rebound. 30 seconds. Sabio to De La Paz. De La Paz attacks. De La Paz no good. Foul number 20. Both teams nag-isa ang inyong timeout. 2-point lead for Tres Marias. Benedict Copali on the line with the 2 free throws. 22.4 seconds time remaining. Free throws for Romali. First free throw is good for Romali. 3-point lead for Tres Marias. Second free throw is good for Romali. 22.4 seconds remaining. Sebio. Lopez. Lopez attacks. 15 seconds. 14 seconds. Foul number 20. Graduate number 20. The 8.2 seconds remaining. Umali 2 free throws. First free throw is good for Umali. Second free throw is good for Umali. Timeout. Fratello, no timeouts left. Tres Marias got 1 timeout remaining. 4-point lead for Tres Marias. Our official score is 99-95. Time remaining, 12.2 seconds remaining. Back to the ball game. 12.2 seconds remaining. Seconds. 5 seconds. Our final score 99-95. Tres Marias got the W. Congratulations, Tres Marias. F1BL Season 3 Day 3 winner, Tres Marias. 99-95. Our next game, Team Asia Warriors.